Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Graphics again, and today I hope you have a great day. So today, without any further, we are going to create express or double express effect in Photoshop. So without any further, let's begin the tutorial. First things that I have prepared my stuff like the background color. You can use mine. You see the code. I don't know if I can call it the code or the other stuff. See, the seeing, eh? And I have this one, this image, and this is the color of the background. You can see it's B8BEC6. Okay, let me repeat it again. B8BEC6. Okay, then have this wonderful video. This is a video. I hope you know. So let me show you let me add the timeline. You see, if you don't see your timeline, so you have to go to the window and choose timeline. So I hope you see it. This is a video. This is a moving video, like the real video. Sorry, my laptop is crashing, but it's a video. As you can see, this is a video. So let's begin. Let's add our image here. Let's add the image. I download it on the Google. You know what I mean. Okay, let's press OK. Let's turn this off. Let me hide, close, I think. Then you have to click Ctrl T and make the size big size. You know what I mean. Then after doing that, it's okay. This one looks good. Then you see he's looking this side, but I want him to look to other side. You have to click Ctrl T and right click and flip horizontal. Boom. Now it's done. And then we have to select him to remove the background. And to do that, you have to do this. I know you have made a video about this and this. Okay, the nose, something left, and then let's see, everything looks good. Then we have to add mask layer. I know this is familiar. So, and we click to select and the mask, and we have to wait Photoshop to do the thing. And after we go to this, I'm going to show you how to, the hair stuff have been cutted, and we want to make, okay, we have to choose this brush and zoom this, and make it big. So we have to, wait, okay, okay, so let's do thing. Okay, then if you want to remove, okay, sorry, okay, as you can see, it's making looks somehow good, like a little, but we make a video how to do it. But today we are going to see how to make the effects. Okay, let's wait a little bit. Okay, okay. When you're done to play with the with those stuff, and you have to click OK. Then we go back to the editing, and as you can see, I have done image, but it's not pretty good because of the hair. Like there's something missing, But then when you finish, all you have to do is click on your image or your video you want to add, and when you're done, you have to click on this layer mask, click Alt, then move to the image. So you can see, done it. And after that, you can position your video the way you want, because I want the a little bit. Okay, let me remove this layer mask. Then I want to add let me reduce the opacity. I want to put okay, let's see what looks good. Okay, this one is, oh no. Let's add this let's add this the speed somehow that looks good to me. This one. No. Okay, this one looks good. Then you have to click OK. Then do the add the layer mask. Like you have to hold Alt, then boom. Then after that, we have to put back the opacity to 100 and this one to 100. And after, all you have to do is just take the brush tool. Then you have to make sure the black is on the top, and we zoom in, and you have to know the part what you want to be seen, like the one you want to see. Like I want to see the eyes, like nose. Okay, we have too much. We have to reduce. Like put it on 20. Okay, let's go back. This was annoying. Like this doing the really good. We are doing it really good. So we have to add some G little, and we have to add the noise. The nose. Sorry, let's add the nose. Okay, the nose and the chin. I hope I'm saying it right. But as you can see, we got. Let me zoom out. We got the perfect stuff. But I want this tree to be seen, like people can see this. This one. Oh, this one looks good. Oh, yeah. Good. Sorry. And we have to make sure the image has everything. And okay. So when you're done, no, sorry. Or we can put it some in his eyes, like let's put some in the eye. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, let's see how it goes. Oh, looks looks bad. And let's keep doing the same stuff. Like this. If you want, like it's like adding some stuff. Like let's reduce the opacity. Okay, this one looks good. Let's add let's right here. Here, here, here stuff. Increase the opacity. Do it so quickly, and we do our thing. Sorry, reduce the opacity. Okay, now image. Let's, let's hide this. Let's remove this one. Let's remove that. Let's, okay. This one looks good. Okay, it's good to me. Okay, this one looks good to me. So to make sure everything is good. Like, let's see. Okay, let's see. Okay, okay, okay. Right. This one is. When you're done doing your stuff, you can add any image you want, like any image. You have to make levels, um, stuff like that. So you can copy mine, okay, or you can add another one, like whatever you want. So, like it depends on the image how you want to be. If you want to be bright, like let's see, this one looks good, right? Okay, then when you finish your to make this effect, all you have to do is to export it. Let me add some text, a little text. Okay, let me add some text. Okay, so make sure you subscribe to my channel so we can make. I'm gonna be making a lot of video tutorial how to make this, how to make creation, and we enjoy it. Okay, when let's take the pen, the text tool. Okay, then we have to type word here. Like let me paste it. Okay, let me use the size. You know what I mean? And the size like this one. Let's see. Okay, double exposure, cinematography. Let's move this one. And we have to change the font. No, and the font we use. Let's see. Okay, this one looks good. This one, this one looks good. And change the color to white or whatever you want. Okay, then use the thing. But let me change the font. See other fonts. So I can use this one. Ah, this one looks good. Okay, this one looks good. Me? Okay, this one. Okay, let's add the same fonts. Let's see this one. That one. This one looks. Oh, this one looks good. You can add the color. Depends on the way you want it, or you just pick any color. Let's use this one. Okay, this one looks good. And last thing is G Slim underscore graphics. Okay, then change the color to white. I hope the white will be good. Good. Yeah. Then after you finish to arrange your stuff, you have to bring back the timeline. Then after the timeline, you bring it back. Then you have to export it. So I'm gonna give you the tip how to export it. You have to come here to file, then export. Then you have to choose save for web. Then you click there, you wait. Photoshop do the thing. Okay, then here the size of the image. If you want an Instagram one or anything, you have to add it like Instagram. If it's a normal post, not Instagram post, you have to add like let's say like uh, you you take this and mix it like opposite 10 the width you put 10. Let me show you. Wait for the. Let's wait. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Stop running. Okay. Why is it taking so long? Never takes this long before. But I hope you see the way that we do it. Then you have to click on the save button. Just save, and everything it's done. But we have to wait because my laptop is doing a lot of things. I've been doing whole day making video for my Instagram. So my laptop, she's tired. So okay, she's tired. But that was it. So thank you for watching, and I hope. Come on, guys. One more thing. Subscribe to my channel so I can buy a new laptop. Like a new laptop. Fit on screen. Oh, I need a new laptop so you can see. Okay. So this is how is it. So it will be exported as a video. So if you want to make Instagram post, you have to change 90/20. Okay. And here we have to let's come on, don't do this to me. Okay. Wisely.